Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And guys, I am sitting in the Walmart parking lot because I came back to get some more deals on Depends and Poise, which is going to help me with my rebates for my weekend warrior bonus. But I also wanted to show you guys another way to do it because my rebates did reset. Not all of them, not all four, just two of them. So I wanted to show you guys how to do the deal and how you can still save with only having the two rebates, because I know everyone didn't get all the rebates from the last video. And if you guys are not sure what I'm talking about, no worries. I will link my last video in the description box and in the comments, so that if you have all four Ibotta rebates, you can go back and still do that deal. So what I was referring to, we actually got 2 boxes of Depends for free with a moneymaker, and then we also got 2 package of Poise pads for free with a moneymaker in the last video, because I had 2 rebates for Depends and 2 rebates for Poise. But this time when they reset, I only had 1 rebate for the Poise and 1 rebate for the Depends. But because the rebate is still a nice amount and I had paper coupons, I'm still getting a pretty good deal. So I want to show you guys how to do it. For those of you that are new, please go up and sign up for Ibotta. Tomorrow is the last day for the promotion that they're doing, October 2nd. When you sign up for Ibotta, when you're new to Ibotta and you redeem your first offer, you're going to get $10 back in addition to the amount for the offer. And then when you have your friends and family do the same thing, you get $10 and they get $10. But you got to sign up by October 2nd. That is the last day. Guys, that is a fabulous promotion. And if you combine it with the deals that I'm showing you with the Depends and the Poise, it makes it even sweeter. It'd be like they're paying you to go to Walmart to shop. So I'm going to put the Ibotta link in the description box as well as in the comments, so you can just click on the link and go ahead and sign up. It makes it really easy for you. And if you guys don't mind, I need you to go ahead and like my video. Comment below if you did the Depends deal or the Poise deal, or if you plan on going to do it. And like I said, these are great items to either resell or donate, or if you're taking care of a loved one, a great way to save on those products for them. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Just hit the subscribe button. It's absolutely free to subscribe, doesn't cost you anything, but that way you won't miss out on any deals and great savings that I have, because I have some really good deals coming up, and you might want to look at some of my other videos that I've done this week, because I had some great deals this week. This week has been fire for couponing for me and all of my friends and family. So guys, without further ado, we're going to head into the store. I'm going to stop talking so much and we're going to go get our deals. One thing that I forgot to let you guys know, when you're new to Ibotta, you may not know this, but when you redeem your receipts, it takes maybe anywhere from 2 to 5 minutes for you to get your money back. It's really quick, and you can have your money deposited into your checking account. You can have it put into your PayPal account, or you can buy gift cards with it. It's totally up to you. I have it put into my PayPal account, and I just keep shopping over and over and over with that same money. So it's like I'm just recycling my coupon money over and over and over again. So I'm not really taking any other money out of my pocket to coupon. So just wanted to put that thought out there, because I don't know if that has been explained to you as a new person to Ibotta, or you know, if you were considering how long it takes the money to come back to you, if that was a factor of whether or not you would sign up. So let's head on into the store. Okay guys, so I'm here in Walmart, and the first deal that we're going to do is on the Poise pads. Now, I don't know if you've seen my video the other day where I did a video on Poise pads and I actually redeemed 2 rebates. Well, they came back. Well, one of them came back, the other one didn't. So if you didn't do this already, you may have 2 rebates to redeem, but if you've done it already, you'll only have 1. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to get the Poise pads, not the micro liners or ultra thin pads. But let me turn my camera around. So if you decide to get the ultra thin pads, Those are $8.72. You will be able to redeem 2 rebates. You can redeem the rebate for these, and then for the single ones, which you'll get that back twice, and then you'll redeem the rebate where you get $5 for buying 2 products. So I'm not going to do this one. I'm going to do the cheaper route, but I'm only going to get 1 rebate back. And that is for the Poise pads. They're $4.68, or you can get the ones that's $4.84. I'm going to do the $4.68. So that's going to bring my total to $9.36. Okay, so I'm going to grab 2 of these. All right, and I'm going to use 2 of these printable coupons. They're still on coupons.com. You see, they don't expire until 10/2. So go ahead and print them out. So if you decide to do this deal with the ultra thin pads to be able to redeem the 2 rebates, you could still use this coupon too. So at the register, I'm going to get $4 off of 2 of these, okay? But then I'm going to submit my receipt to Ibotta and get back another $5. So that's a total of $9 that I'm going to get for buying 2 of them. So basically, I'm going to pay 36 cents for 2 bags of these. Then I'm also going to submit my receipt to Fetch and get a couple more points from Fetch. Not a lot, but a couple more. But I'd say that's a pretty good deal with paying that little bit of money for the Poise pads. So then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to do the Depends deal. Now again, if you've watched my video before, I did redeem 2 rebates for the Depends. One of the rebates came back, the other one didn't. So if you haven't done this deal, check your Ibotta, because you may still have the 2 rebates. I'm not sure, or you might just have the 1. But the 2 rebates, it was one where you could buy 5 of these boxes and you'd get $5 back for each one. And then the other rebate is spend 2, buy 2 and get $10 back. So I'm going to grab 2 of these, just like I did before, but I'm only going to redeem the 1 rebate because that's all I have. So we'll round that up and say that's going to be $24. But I'm going to submit my receipt to Ibotta and I'm going to get $10 back. But when I go to the register, I'm going to use 2 of these coupons from coupons.com. They are still available to print. I did check before I made the video, before I came out, and they don't expire until 10/2. So at the register, they're going to ring up $24, but I'm going to get $4 off because I'm going to use 2 of these, okay? So then I'm going to submit to Ibotta for $10 off. So that's going to be a total of $14 that I'm going to get back. So basically, it's going to be like I'm going to get these 2 boxes for $10. So that's like $5 each. That's less than half price. Guys, that's a pretty good deal. And I'm still going to submit my receipt to Fetch and get a couple more cents back. So I'm going to go ahead and put these 2 in my cart. And by the way, guys, you don't have to get the boxes. You can get the bags. I did scan them. So, like, you can get the shields. You can get the guards. Or you can get the women's product. So I know if you get the guards, there's 2 rebates for that. There's a rebate for the guards, and then the rebate where you buy any 2 Depend products. So it's totally up to you how you want to do it, but this is a good way to stock up on these items. And if you don't need them, donate them. Or you can resell them on Facebook Marketplace or wherever. These are good prices to resell these. So let's head up to the register and let's see what we end up with. So we're going to take 2 bags of Poise and 2 boxes of Depends to the register and see what our grand total is going to be. Okay, guys, so here is the receipt. I'm back in the car. I've submitted it to Ibotta. And just to let you guys know who's new to Ibotta, you get your money back right away. It takes maybe about 2 to 5 minutes to get your money back. So here you see the Depends. They were $1.97. $2 coupon came off, no problem. The other Depends, I didn't mean $1.97. I meant $11.97. There's the other Depends for $11.97. $2 came off. The Poise Pass for $4.68. $2 came off for both of those. So the total was $25.30. Here you see I did get back my $15 back from Ibotta. So that brings that total down to $10.30. And then I got 33 cents back from Fetch. So basically I paid $9.97 for all 4 of these. So guys, that is excellent. So go out and do the deal. Give the video a thumbs up, share it with all your friends and family, and until the next time, keep on saving.